Now we'll learn about color sensor. With the help of color sensor, robot detects the colors and take actions. Firstly, we'll create a simple program to make our robot move when the color sensor sees black color. Secondly, we'll go through with the demo. And now we'll test our other sensor, which is color sensor. So let's set it to compare color. These are the types of color: black, blue, green, yellow, red, white and brown. So I'll choose black, my favorite color. And I'll let the speed be same, rotation same. It's in the loop so that the program will work. And now let's test this. Good. And now I have put my color sensor over here. And now this is my black object. And we are done. Today we learned how to write the program of color sensor. In demo, our robot moved a few steps after detecting black color. It's the exercise time. Now you need to create your own program and send its photo. See you in the next session.